Hello and welcome to It's All About the Money. I'm your host, Hannah Brown, and today's episode is all about scholarships. We're going to talk about where to find them, how to apply for them, and finish up with some tips and tricks to get you that money. So get your note-taking supplies out because you are definitely going to want to write this stuff down. I'll wait. So, first things first, what is a scholarship? Well, a scholarship is free money to help you pay for college that you don't have to pay back. You heard that right. Free. However, scholarships don't just show up in an Amazon box or a pretty envelope. Instead, you got to earn them. Did I just scare you right there? Think now it's going to be all difficult to get a scholarship? Well, just hold up because it doesn't have to be tough. Plus, think about it this way. Let's say you apply for a $500 scholarship and it took you a total of 2 hours to fill out the application, answer the questions, and upload a letter of recommendation. Sounds like a lot of time, but if you get the scholarship, you just made $250 an hour. There aren't many jobs that pay like that. Time is money in this business, baby. Okay, so I have your interest. Now you're thinking, where can I find these free money scholarships? The first place I recommend looking for scholarships is the college or university that you're planning to attend. Chances are they have lots of different scholarships available for their students. All you need to do is ask. Make sure you look for the financial aid department or search scholarships on the institution's website. Many colleges will have one main application to complete that will put your name in the candidate pool for all of the eligible scholarships. This makes applying much easier than submitting each individual application. Your future college or university is a good place to start, but there are other places to search too. Do you work or do your parents work? Many businesses have scholarships for their employees and for the children of their employees. Do you attend a place of worship? They might have a scholarship. Do you volunteer? See if they offer scholarships. Do you have a bank account? Many banks and credit unions have scholarships for their members. Do you participate in extracurricular activities? See if the organizations associated with those extracurriculars offer scholarships. All of these are great places to look. Another thing you got to do is get the word out. Tell your high school counselors or teachers that you're looking for scholarships. Make sure family members and friends know. Post on your social media that you are looking for scholarships. Heck, tell your Uber driver. The more people who know, the more chances that they will know of a scholarship that you can apply for. Finally, there's the good old internet. A simple Google search can turn up scholarships. Search the word scholarship along with a word that describes you. There are also free scholarship search engines that do the scholarship searching for you. But be thoughtful about what you find here. The only thing to make sure of when you're looking for these scholarships are scams. You never want to provide your bank account information or social security number when applying for a scholarship. Legit scholarships should never ask for these things. You also shouldn't pay to apply for a scholarship. For example, if someone says that if you pay them $100, they'll make sure you get a $1,000 scholarship, this is not true. Don't be the sucker who falls for that one. Okay, you're getting excited now. But wait, there's more. I've got the top 8 most important scholarship hacks that I want to share with you to make sure you do everything you can to earn some cash for college. Number 1, be prepared. Scholarships often ask for certain documents, so make sure you have these on hand. Get a transcript of your grades from any schools you have attended. Keep an electronic copy and a paper copy on hand. Get 2 to 3 letters of recommendation from other people. And no, don't have your mom write you one. Get teachers, advisors, coaches, etc. to do this. You can use the same letter of recommendation for multiple applications. So also have paper copies on hand and make sure you can scan them. Get those letters of recommendation early. No one is going to write you a great letter of rec last minute. Also, get a resume or a list of the activities you participate in, like work, hobbies, community involvement, extracurriculars, etc. You can refer to this when you're writing essays or provide it to people who are writing you letters of recommendation so they know what you've been up to. Number 2, know your deadlines. Each scholarship is going to have a deadline. Don't let free money slip between your fingers just because you weren't paying attention. Set reminders in your phone or on a calendar app and get everything taken care of. Lots of scholarships are due in the early spring months, February, March, April, and some are even due in the winter, not just around the time classes start. Search early and apply early. Number 3, always keep a copy of any essays you write for a scholarship application. Many scholarship essays ask the same types of questions. What are your goals? Why are you deserving of this scholarship? What hardships have you overcome to get here? What are your plans for after college? Once you've written an essay, it's your work. Often you can just tweak a previous essay or even use the same essay for multiple scholarship applications. This can cut down on the time you're spending applying. Also, need to write a paper for school? See if you can write your scholarship essay for that assignment. That's feeding 2 birds with 1 seed. Number 4, follow directions. Don't be that person that thinks they have applied for a scholarship but really haven't because they didn't turn in all the documents or answer all the questions in their essay. Simple mistakes can cost you to lose a scholarship you might have otherwise received. Number 5, proofread. Have someone look over your application and essay. Mistyping your birthday or making a silly grammar mistake does not look good and tells the scholarship reviewer that you rushed through applying or don't care enough to pay attention to the details. Number 6, apply for scholarships of all amounts. Sometimes people avoid applying for $500 scholarships because they won't go too far in the overall cost of college. But if you get awarded several scholarships of smaller amounts, they can really add up. Number 7, apply for multiple scholarships. You can get multiple scholarships that add together to decrease your college costs. And you can apply for scholarships every year you are going to be in school, not just when you're starting. You can qualify and get different scholarships every year. And finally, number 8, ask for help. There are many different resources out there who can help you apply for scholarships. Check with your school or the college or university you are planning to go to. Have a teacher look over your essay. Don't feel like you are alone in this. And with that, we've come to the end of this episode of It's All About the Money. I'm your host, Hannah Brown. Thank you for watching, and good luck.
Hi, I'm Brent Edwards, a scholarship coordinator at the Westminster campus. I hope you found this video fun and helpful. I'd also like you to know that if you are planning to attend Front Range Community College, we have 3 scholarship coordinators to help you through the process of searching for and applying for scholarships. We can assist you with the FRCC Foundation Scholarship application, which awards about $700,000 to FRCC students each year, or we could help you with finding other scholarships. The FRCC Foundation Scholarship is open to apply for between December 1st and March 1st each year. Please feel free to reach out to any of us to schedule a time for us to meet with you, and we would love to help you get money to help you pay for your college education. Thanks.